What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Sunday morning today. Heading to the gym early today. Well, not early, but 10 a.m. So, gonna get a quick leg workout in early. Spend the rest of the afternoon just relaxing, hanging out. Much to talk about today. Next Friday is the 4th of July. So, should be fun. I'm excited to go hang out with my family, see some of my friends. And the stoplight's out here. Interesting. One of those holidays I never really make plans for. Usually just spend it with the family and hang out with my nieces, shoot off some fireworks for them. So. Yeah, we're hitting legs today, so I've been doing less of workouts that can hurt my lower back. Damn, that is a clean RS6. So I've said in previous videos I have some lower back issues just from years of just hurting it doing deadlifts and squats and going heavy. And I think I'm just at the point in my life now where I don't really find much value in doing heavy lifts. So I'm, a lot more machine work focused these days, I think, and until I get back to full health with my lower back. I have been doing lower back strengthening workouts, mainly extensions, static holds, things like that, and also kind of strengthening my core as well to balance it out. Oh, there's that G80. Yeah, anyways, should be a good day. Hit the sauna after. Up tired today. Stayed up kind of late. But yeah. Back to work tomorrow, but it's gonna be a short week, so can't complain. Think I might go see a movie tonight at the movie theater. We got a nice little movie theater up here that serves really good food to you in the middle of the movie. Let's hop out, take a look at the whip. Shining. Really excited for my coilovers. They're still not here. Fortunato is taking their time. Taking their time building those. That's all for me today. Appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate the support. Drop a sub, drop a like if you guys enjoy the content. Let me know what you want to see next. Yeah, that's all from me today. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Peace.